O te tui nā tua e le whaamaninga e le au se ino tula whono ma ta pulaa mo Malae Vaalele Savili whaavao malo. E mauti no ai le saogalemu ma le malu pui pui e lei o whi maranga inga Vaalele. I le nei lava Malae Vaalele. O le vaenga nuna lua o le lei ati nae. O le toi whapopoina le o lona umi. O le awala see po le tatou runway mo Vaalele. Mai le fitu se lau mita o ia nei i le valu se lau mita. Ma o le atirian. O na ta oto le lei Malae Vaalele sona ta otonga mautu. Masiri atu lo na saogalemu.
The first landing. What are you doing?
Yeah, so, it's nervy.
Tell me about it. What is it like to land on a newly tar sealed? Is this good enough, or it needs another touch?
I thought that they were gonna redo it, do it properly, but it looks like it's still the same. Still the old Fagali'i. But you know, it's doable. We can operate here, but you know, in terms of the aircraft maintenance, it's going to be very high. The wear and tear is going to be very high. So
for the tires,
brakes,
and the body
of the airplane. Malae, kawanga kuile kara le asphalt. Kawanga paka e ko faumia ko lenga fo mai faumi. You know, for my there's a few things that they need to do.
They say there's 100 meters extra, 100.
Well, if they can add that.
They say to the west.
But they haven't done it.
Doesn't look like it?
This is the old strip. It's the old strip. Yeah. It's doable. We've done it before. But the wear and tear, the cost of the maintenance, but there are some issues that they need to
improve
on the side or the Malae Vaalele. But that's something we'll discuss with AA.
What do you think of the new tar seal?
I have no comment on that one.
Yeah, at least
tomorrow.
Yeah. Like what? Palpala. Oh, vale mai ngai fa mai ole kusi fa ke kilo ko ele se.
Ele fa fica ele ainda ia menga no ko ele bole amakai verso kayo. And I can read of all this. You see how high the plane came in?
Yeah. Talo fai. Yo me ma fai sala pule ma. What do you think of that tower? It should be removed.
To remove.
And whose tower is that?
It's PCCell. That's their phone tower.
Oh wow! So it definitely needs to go down.